Welcome, my dear students, to the channel Learn Something. So last video we have solved some of the exercise from exercise 8.1, and again I'm saying, students, if you are having any doubt or any questions, you just refer the question number in the comment section. Now today we'll start some of the question from exercise 8.2. So first question, evaluate the following. So this is a given statement and you have to evaluate the evaluate means you have to find the answer for this. That is 2 tan square 45 degree plus cos square 30 degree minus sin square 60 degree. To solve this, you have to know the trigonometric ratios of some special angles. Already I have covered the topic which you'll be getting in the video that is called Trigonometric part 2. I hope you just go and check once again the video how you can find the trigonometric ratios of some special angle. So with the help of the table, tan 45, so tan, the value of tan 45 is 1. Now here it is given tan square 45. So listen, tan square 45 means tan 45 degree whole square. Okay, tan square 45 degree means what? Tan 45 degree whole square. So tan 45, so tan 45, the value of tan 45 is 1, so whole square is 1 square. Cos 30 degrees root 3 by 2, so whole square. And sin 60 degrees root 3 by 2 whole square. Now after simplifying, the answer is 2. It is very simple. Next, in such type of question, that is question number 2, 2 tan 30 degree plus 1 tan square 30 degree is equal to question mark. So there are some options given, which is the correct one you have to choose. So in this we'll solve 2 tan square 30 degree, then plus 1 plus tan square 30 degree. Now from the trigonometric value or table, you will see that tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. Okay, so I have written here 2 into 1 by root 3. Again, as I said, tan square 30 degree means tan 30 degree whole square. So 1 by root 3 whole square. After simplifying the answer, it comes root 3 by 2. Again, if you see all the trigonometric values of these trigonometric ratios, you will get that sin 60 gives this value, that is root 3 by 2. So our correct option is sin 60 degree. I hope it is clear. Next, such type of question. It is given that tan a plus b is equal to root 3 and tan a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3, where a plus b is less than 0 degree, or a plus b can be 90 degree or less than 90 degrees. So a plus b is greater than 0 degree, or a plus b can be 90 degree, or a plus b can be less than 90 degree. So this will be the value of, and where a is greater than b, and you have to find the value of a and b. So how to solve such type of question? See, these are first trigonometric equations given here, or you can say trigonometric function. So trigonometric equation, that is tan a plus b is equal to root 3. Now to solve this type of questions, so what you have to do, both LHS and RHS, you must have same trigonometric ratios so that they can be cancelled each other. Okay, so now we'll see in the trigonometric table for what value of 10 means for what angle of 10 it is root 3. Okay, so if you see the table, it is tan 60 degree. Now from both sides 10 is cancelled. Now see, students, don't cut in this way. So this is the wrong way of cutting. Okay, so actually what happened, the 10 when it's changed to here, so the 10 it becomes the reciprocal, 10 inverse in this way. So this inverse 10 cuts this 10, so we'll be getting 60 degrees. So this is the actual process. So for time being, just remember that both sides at 10 is cancelled. Okay, so a plus b is equal to 60 degrees. Similarly, second equation we have tan a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3. Similarly, you check for what value of 10 it is 1 by root 3, that is tan 30 degree. And similarly, you compare, or you can cancel 10 from both sides, you will have a minus b 30 degree. Now we have two equations, algebraic equation. So by algebraic solving method, we'll solve this. We have added the two equations, so adding 1 and 2. So since plus b and minus b will be cancelled, so we have twice a, and 60 plus 30 90. Simplifying, you got a 45 degree. Again, putting this value of a in any one of the equation, it can be 2 or it can be 1. Okay, then if you solve this, I have put in equation 1, so 45 plus b is equal to 60. Then solving, we got b is equal to 15 degree. Okay, my dear students, I hope it is. Exercise 8.3, trigonometric ratios of complementary angle. So let us learn about first complementary angles. You know, complementary angles means sum of any two angles. If it is 90 degree, it is 90 degree sum of any two angles 90 degree, then those two angles are known as complementary angles. Now see, in the diagram ABC, if this angle is theta, so definitely this will be 90 minus theta. That means sum of this angle A and angle B both is 90 degree. That means A and B are complementary angles. Okay, so if this is theta, then this will be 90 minus theta. Okay, now see, here I wrote some complementary ratios related to complementary angles, and that is sine 90 degree minus theta is equal to cos theta. Now why this is so, I will prove this, and this other you can try yourself. See here, see, sine 90 minus theta, that means I am taking this angle, clear, and SOHCAHTOA, the sine means opposite by hypotenuse. Now if I take this angle 90 minus theta, so BC will be the opposite one. So opposite by hypotenuse, because sine means perpendicular by hypotenuse or opposite by hypotenuse. Okay, so the ratio of sine 90 minus theta, now it comes BC by AC. Clear? Next, again, then it is said it is equal to cos theta. That means this angle, if I take cos of this angle, cos theta, again cos means what? Adjacent by hypotenuse. Again, adjacent means base by hypotenuse. Now for this angle theta, BC will be the base, so BC by AC. Now see, both the ratios are same, so we can say sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. So that's why sine and cos, more or less, they are said to be the complementary angles. In this way you remember the complementary angles. Clear? Now let us apply these complementary angles. Okay, so this is the questions given to evaluate. That means we have to find the value of this. See how we'll solve these questions. Sine 18 degree, we don't have the values of this type of angles. Okay, we know only 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Also we don't know 72 degree, 72 degree value. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll use the help of, we'll apply complementary angle ratios of complementary angles. Now see, we can use here complementary angles. So you can think why we can use, because we know the sine and cos, they have a relation in complementary angles, and also these two angles adding is 90 degree. So here we can apply complementary angles. Understood? Sine and cos, there is a relations between complementary angles of sine and cos. Also 18 plus 72 is 90 degree. That means these two are complementary angles. Okay, so we can write in this way. Now see, sine theta you can write as cos 90 minus theta. That means sine 18 degree you can write cos 90 minus 18 degree. Okay, so since they are complement of each other, so cos 90 minus this angle, so you got cos 72 degree, down also 72 degree, cancelled each other, the answer is 1. Or you can solve this in another way. Now see, sine 18, this 18 you can express in this way, 90 minus 72 degree. Again see, sine 90 minus theta is equal to what? Cos theta. That means sine 90 minus 72 degree is what? Cos 72 degree, complement angle. Okay, cos 72 degree down, cancel 1. In this way you will be solving. Okay, so here whatever question I will solve, I will use this method. Okay, that sine and cos are complement, so sine 18 is given, so complement angle is cos, so cos 90 minus the same angle here. Okay, now second question. This is the statement given, and you have to prove that this expression and this is equal to 1. Okay, so how to solve this? So here we know the complement of tan is cot, so I have changed this to complement angle. So cot 90 minus 45 degree. Again I have changed the same angle, cot 90 minus 23 degree. Now we got cot 742, cot 67. Now again see, we know the reciprocal of cot is tan, so cot 42 degree and tan 42 degree is equal to 1. Also tan 67 degree and cot 67 degrees also 1, because multiplicative inverse is what? If two numbers are said to be multiplicative inverse, then the product of those two numbers must be 1. That's why, since they are multiplicative inverse of each other, so product of these two numbers will be 1. Okay, that's a 1 into 1, 1, which is equal to RHS. Okay, my dear students. Next, number 3, same exercise number 3. Here it is given tan twice a is equal to cot a minus 18 degree, where twice a is an acute angle. You have to find the value of a. Okay, see, it is given tan twice a is equal to cot a minus 18 degree. Now when you have equation in this type, okay, what you have to do, from both the side you have to remove this trigonometric ratio tan and cot. So how to remove this? You have to change to same ratios. Either you change this tan to cot, or you change this cot to tan, so that both sides you will have same ratio and you can cancel and you will get the answer. Okay, so I will change here complementary, because tan and cot, they are also complementary angle. They are reciprocal of each other as well as they are complement angle of each other also. So the complement of tan is cot, so I can write tan is equal to cot, because they are complement. For that I have to subtract this angle from 90 degree. So cot 90 degree minus this angle is equal to cot a minus 18. Now both sides I have cot, so they will be cancelled and we will get only the angles, and after simplifying we will get the value of a. Now see, a, if you take the twice of a, which will come 72 degree, which is an acute angle, so our answer is okay. Clear? Next, number 6. You have given that in a triangle ABC are interior angles, then you have to show that sine b plus c by 2 is equal to cos a by 2. So for that we will take the help of angle sum property. What is angle sum property? Sum of all the three interior angles is equal to 180 degree. That is angle A, angle B, angle C is equal to 180 degree. So here we have removed this angle sine, just we have written the alphabets, that is a plus b plus c is equal to 180 degree, and which can be b plus c is equal to 180 minus a. Again, if you divide the both equation by 2, it becomes b plus c by 2 is equal to, this will divide by 2, which will give 90, and a divided by 2 will give a by 2. Next, now we will take LHS sine b plus c by 2, okay, which is given. Now in place of b plus 2, from this equation b plus c by 2, what you can write? 90 minus a by 2. See, 90 minus a by 2. Now 90 minus a by 2 means what? This is a complementary angle. We can use complement angle. Now what is the complement angle of sine? Cos. So cos a by 2, which is equal to RHS, hence proved. Thank you.